everybody, Dan Millen with Livernois Motorsports here. So right next to me we have a 2023 Camaro SS. Unfortunately this car is going away, so by the time you're watching this video, 24s are pretty much done. Whatever's on the lot is all you can get in these cars. Really unfortunate, but so we really wanted to make sure that we get some videos out on some packages that we're doing on the 2023, well actually really from 2016 to 2024. This video should apply or all the modifications done to this car will apply to everybody. So this particular car, baseline stock at 374, it's an auto, very low miles. We wanted to do something a little different to this thing, so we did a supercharger, heads, cam, just to see what kind of power we could do on it with a pretty much stock engine besides that. So once we put all the stuff on it and we made the dyno pull that you just seen, this thing was 743, almost double the horsepower, you know, and all this thing has on it is a Magnuson supercharger, great supercharger, great installation on this, almost looks factory. It's got our heads on it, our CNC stage 2, and it also has our stage 3 LT1/LT4 camshaft, which works excellent with the supercharger. I think it really gets you the big power that we're seeing with this car. Like I said, it's almost double the power that the thing made stock. And in some instances of the graph, if you look above 6,000, we're more than double the power that this thing made from the factory. So super impressive. It is 93 octane. We're really happy with how this turned out. So if you got one of these cars, get a Magnuson, get our heads and cam, you'll go from 370, 380 to 700 plus horsepower. It does have a cold air kit on it too, which I also would recommend. But we're gonna try to do some more things on this car. Unfortunately, like I said, this thing is on its way out the door. If you can still find one, get one, put the supercharger on it. Thanks for watching our videos. Stay tuned.